Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today is the reveal of my Dollar Tree Junk Journal Challenge for 2019, the winner. And so I'm so excited to go ahead and do the full flip through of the junk journal that I made for this challenge. And then I will also be featuring 3 of the ladies that participated in the challenge, and then go ahead and tell you who the winner is. So first off, we'll start off with my journal, and this is actually the prize for the gal that won this, and I'm super excited for her to receive it. So I went ahead and made one that is cat themed. If you had seen the junk journal challenge that I participated in 2017, was my very first junk journal. It was dog themed, and I will put the link for that down below, as well as I will have the links for all of the videos that I did for this book. I went through the whole thing and did sort of a craft with me process video of how I made everything. So hopefully you will get some inspiration for that. And if you did not have a chance to participate in my challenge, it's just a fun way to learn how to make a junk journal. And once you get started making junk journals, you kind of become addicted to them. So I've been addicted ever since I did my first one for that challenge with I'm a Cool Mom. So let's go ahead and do a quick flip through of this, and we'll get on with the video. So I used this cream colored book, and everything for this challenge was Dollar Tree products, minus maybe glue, but of course you can get the glue that I used at the Dollar Tree. The tools and anything like that was not required to be from the Dollar Tree. So I used this cream colored book as my cover. I used a 2-pocket folder that was cat themed, and that's what this is here, as well as this piece, the piece on the spine, and then the piece on the back. I used lace and ribbon and twine on the cover and on the tassel, and then I put a cat collar on the front, and love that it has this little bell charm there. I think that's adorable. On the front here, I mounted the picture onto fabric that was from a pot holder, and then it's tied up with the ribbon, and the ribbon I just glued in here. I used wrapping paper to cover the inside cover and part of the folder to make a pocket. So this is a pocket here. I'm going to be filling up this book with more other random things that I have in my stash before I send it out to the winner. So I don't have everything totally filled up, but I do have tags and things that I made in a previous video. I'll put the link for that down below. So I have this pocket here, and I added some lace there. I made a pocket page with a cat calendar, and then a little journaling card there. Here is a belly band, and this is an envelope. I'm going to be filling that up. I used ribbon to make a little ruffle there. And let's go on here. There's a little tuck spot. This is some of that manuscript paper that you can get at the Dollar Tree. I made a little pocket, and here's a little bookmark. Added some fabric on the side there. Here is just the book page, and I just added this little flappy do there. And a doily for a little tuck spot. Here's another bookmark. That was from the calendar. Just added some notebook paper, book pages, more manuscript paper there. There's the inside of that signature. This book has 2 signatures. I used the twine to tie up my signatures. Here is an envelope from a note card packet, and it's just a little text spot there with a journaling card. I made a ruffle with wrapping paper, and then here's just more empty spots for just adding journaling and pictures and things like that. And then here is another pocket page, and then here's the new signature. This is a pocket page, and a tuck spot. Here is a belly band on this page, and then I made this little envelope that has a little booklet in it. So this is a journaling card, and then it has a pocket on the side. Here's another doily. I made an envelope and I added it to a page to flip out and have a little secret little text spot there. And let's see, this got caught here. There we go. There's a belly band, and there's the center of that signature. Oops. Side pocket. Here's a note card I sewed in, so there's a pocket up here as well. I made a little pocket with the doily and just sewed it, and then made a little journaling card there. Put this back in, there we go. And that just tucks in that little spot. Here is another envelope that I made with a book page, and then that's also a pocket there as well. Here is a little tuck spot and a little belly band there, or not belly band, but another little side tuck. And here is the end of that signature. Oh, so there are three signatures. I think I said 2 at the beginning there. There's a side tuck. Here is a corner little flap out, and then it has a little tuck spot in there. Here's another envelope little page, and then this is also a tuck. Here is a side pocket using a piece from the calendar, and another one of those note cards. And as I said, there's lots of open space in this book because I wanted the recipient to be able to have a lot of space for writing, and I will be adding in some extras so that she can do her own decorating as well. And there's the center of that. Another side pocket. This is just a little flip out. She can also glue this down and have it be a belly band, whatever. Here's another little belly band. Another envelope flip. And this one is a little tuck too. And here is the last page, and that's an envelope. So all those pages are little pocket pages. And then here is a pocket on the back. And the back just looks like that. So that is my junk journal for this junk journal challenge. I hope that gives you some inspiration for your own junk journals in the future. So right now I wanted to show you some of the journals that some of the ladies made, and then after that I will reveal the winner of my challenge. So I hope you were able to participate, or I thank everyone who was able to participate in this challenge. And let's go ahead and look at who are the ones that I'm featuring for this challenge today. And the winner is Planning Craft Magic. Thank you so much for participating in this challenge. Please message me over on Instagram with your address and I'll get your prize right out to you. Thank you so much for watching. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.